Alright, hey everybody. Today we are learning a tech combo or repeater out of Trapezes brother mount. The trick starts in a Trapezes brother. First thing we're going to do is with our non-throw hand thumb, we're going to pick the string off of our throw hand pointer finger and bring it behind and above the string on our non-throw hand pointer. We're then going to pop the string up from the front string to the middle string. It's also going to be on your non-throw hand pointer, as you can see in both angles here. You'll only do this once. I do it 3 just to show you what it might look like. We'll roll it off or over our non-throw hand wrist. It will be on the wrong side of the wrist, so we'll have to slide it to the other side by moving the wrist. This will get smoother as you practice it, but you can practice just dropping it out of this bucket and then moving your wrist for now. The next step, I like to open that up with my throw hand, thumb, and pointer. We're going to land on that bottom string right there, just by popping it up. After that, we are going to do this tricky move right here. The yo-yo actually isn't going onto a new string, even though it looks like it. Thumb goes down, elbow goes up on your non-throw hand throw arm. This just gets us in a better position for the next portion of this trick. The next part, we're going to roll in over our throw hand pointer finger and off the strings. Right out the front after you roll in. After this, we are going to roll the yo-yo out over the top of our non-throw hand wrist and release our non-throw hand thumb that is holding onto that string right there. We're then going to insert our throw hand thumb with our pointer finger and open up that triangle on our throw hand. There's a better angle of this coming up, but we are going behind one string and onto another. Closest to your body, we're jumping over one and onto the next. After this, we are releasing our non-throw hand pointer, or whichever finger you have holding it, and we are rolling the yo-yo out of the twist, as shown here with the arm motion that I'm doing. I believe it is non-throw hand over the top and throw hand below, and roll the yo-yo out. It should be pretty clear where the yo-yo is rolling out to. You roll out into a Trapezes brother, and you've completed the trick. Here it is smooth again for you. The trick will be choppy until you've got it down, but I hope you guys enjoyed.